Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. DJI has once again redefined the possibilities of compact drone photography and videography with the introduction of the Mini 5 Pro. This diminutive yet remarkably capable drone boasts a suite of cutting-edge features that cater to both amateur and professional aerial enthusiasts. One of the most striking aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its exceptional image quality. Equipped with a high-resolution camera capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, the drone delivers footage that is crisp, detailed, and brimming with vibrant colors. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro offers a variety of shooting modes, including time-lapse and panorama, allowing users to capture breathtaking aerial perspectives in unique and creative ways. Beyond its impressive imaging capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro also excels in terms of flight performance and ease of use. The drone's compact design and lightweight construction make it highly maneuverable and easy to control, even for beginners. Moreover, the Mini 5 Pro features a long flight time, ensuring that users can capture extended aerial footage without the worry of battery depletion. A leap forward in image quality. One of the most significant upgrades in the Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. Equipped with a larger, 1-inch sensor, this drone delivers stunning image quality, even in low-light conditions. The improved dynamic range and reduced noise allow you to capture more detailed and vibrant footage, making it ideal for both casual and professional use. Enhanced performance and features. In addition to the exceptional camera, the Mini 5 Pro boasts several other impressive features. It offers longer flight times, thanks to its efficient battery, and can reach higher speeds, providing you with more creative options for your aerial shots. The drone also includes advanced obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring safe and reliable flights. AI-powered innovation. DJI has also integrated AI capabilities into the Mini 5 Pro, enhancing its tracking and stabilization features. The drone can now intelligently follow subjects with greater precision, making it easier to capture dynamic and engaging footage. A must-have for drone enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting, the Mini 5 Pro is a must-have device. Its combination of exceptional image quality, powerful performance, and innovative features make it a standout choice in the drone market. Should you upgrade? If you're currently using an older DJI drone, the Mini 5 Pro offers a compelling upgrade. The improved camera, longer flight times, and advanced features can significantly enhance your aerial photography and videography experience. However, if you're happy with your current drone and don't have an immediate need for the latest technology, it may be worth waiting for a potential price drop or bundle deal. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a testament to the evolution of drone technology. This diminutive yet mighty drone packs a punch with its cutting-edge camera, capable of capturing stunning 4K 60 FPS videos and high-resolution photos. The advanced sensor ensures exceptional image quality, even in low-light conditions. Beyond its impressive camera, the Mini 5 Pro boasts powerful performance. Its efficient motors provide ample flight time, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. The drone's intelligent flight modes, such as active track and quick shots, make it easy to achieve professional-looking aerial footage without extensive piloting experience. The Mini 5 Pro's compact design makes it highly portable, making it ideal for travel and everyday use. With features like obstacle avoidance and a reliable transmission system, the drone offers a safe and enjoyable flying experience. Whether you're a seasoned drone enthusiast or just starting your aerial photography journey, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a remarkable choice that delivers exceptional results in a convenient package. Future-proof your investment. The Mini 5 Pro is likely to be supported with software updates and accessories for years to come, making it a long-term investment. Explore creative possibilities. With the Mini 5 Pro's advanced features, you can experiment with new creative techniques and capture stunning aerial footage that will impress your audience. Join the drone community. Connect with other drone enthusiasts to share tips, tricks, and inspiration. There are many online forums and social media groups dedicated to drone photography and videography. Thank you for watching. Please let me know your thoughts on the Mini 5 Pro in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more drone-related content and stay tuned for future reviews and tutorials.